Meaning of downgrading.
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 Downgrading. Downgrading refers to the act of lowering or reducing the status, importance, value, or quality of something or someone. The result of downgrading may be a decrease in rank, position, rating, or reputation. It can also refer to the process of replacing a newer version of a product with an older one, usually with fewer features or capabilities. Downgrading can occur due to various reasons, such as poor performance, lack of demand or funding, or changes in priorities and goals. Overall, downgrading typically leads to a less favorable or advantageous outcome for the subject being downgraded.